click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is A30 Christian. In this video I will talk about the new Galaxy A series. So let's watch. So friends, after successful marketing of Galaxy M series, Samsung is now focusing on the offline market in India by launching new Galaxy A series smartphone. Samsung just has announced the Galaxy A10, A30 and A50. Beginning with the Galaxy A10, it comes with 6.2-inch HD Plus Infinity V display. The processor this device is running is Exynos 7884. This phone is available in only one variant of 2GB RAM and 32GB of storage. The front camera is 5 megapixel and the back one is of 13 megapixel. It is priced at $120 and available in red, blue and black color. The Galaxy A30, as we know already, sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The processor this device is running is Exynos 7904. The Galaxy A30 comes in two variants, one of 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and the other one comes in 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. There is a dual camera setup on the back, rear mounted fingerprint scanner, 4000 mAh battery with support for fast charging, and Android Pie with One UI. It will be available in the same colors as the A10. It is priced at $240. The Galaxy A50 is the most premium and powerful of the three devices and is the first Samsung mid-ranger to pack an in-display fingerprint reader. Other specs include a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display, triple cameras on the back, Exynos 9610 chipset. It comes in two variants, one of 4GB RAM and 64GB storage and the other one is 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. It comes with 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support and with Android Pie with One UI. It will be sold in white, blue and black color. It is priced at $280 for the 4GB variant and $325 for the 6GB variant. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.